Hey guys, this is Calvina coming right back at you guys with another video. And today I want to talk about a work from home opportunities, the digital marketing program that's called the Legacy Builders Program. And today I want to start off by talking about that, right? Are you looking for a work from home opportunity online? If you are, you definitely want to check out the Legacy Builders Program because it has everything that you are probably looking for. This is a done for you system. Okay. It has a free funnel, this funnel right here. Okay. It also comes with a community of like-minded individuals, members that are earning money almost every day online with this system. Okay, you can market on social media. You will basically be trained on how to be successful online with this awesome system. All right. Now, you get 100% commissions, no monthly fees. There's training, like I said before, it's faceless marketing. You can market this on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, just to name a few. You can work from anywhere in the world. Okay, it's members to member. Okay, and just to show you guys this. Alright, this is the funnel you'll get. Okay, put in your email. Once you put in your email, this is the video that you will get. You'll also be learning from a millionaire, which is right here. Her name is Michelle O'Neill. And she's basically giving you her blueprint on how to be successful online with the Legacy Builder program, with this program. It's part of the e-learning space. Okay? So I'm going to turn on this video and let you guys hear a little bit of what she has to say, explaining this program. Okay? The step-by-step program done for you system. Okay? So what I'm going to do,
looking at the Legacy Builder Program. I'm so excited you're here, and I can promise you after this video, you're going to have a clear understanding of exactly what can happen to you being inside of our digital growth community and following the Legacy Builder Program. So you might be listening to me right now going, man, Michelle, I just want to make some extra cash. I want to kind of get some pressure off, or maybe you want some of that fun money. Or maybe you're listening to me going, man, I really want to get out of debt, start saving some money. I would love to learn how to make $300 a day, which is $109,000 a year. Or maybe you're listening to me going, I want to go for more of that higher six figures. I would love to learn how to make $600 a day, which is $219,000 a year. And many of you might be more like in the legacy builder mode, and you're like, man, I want to take advantage of what's going on in digital marketing, and please show me how to make $900 a day, which is over $328,000 a year. Would that change your life any? Well, you guys, my name is Michelle O'Neill, and back in September of 2022 is when I discovered this process. And prior to discovering it, I was stressed. I was overwhelmed. I'm a mom of 6 kids. I only have 2 left at home, and time was slipping away. And I have 5 grandchildren. And you guys, time is the most important thing to me. And when I discovered this process, I was like, oh my gosh, if I can just learn how to make $54,000 a year working 2 hours a day, that would change my life. Because inside of the process, you guys, it shows you how to follow a 2-hour workday. I know, crazy, right? But it shows you how you could get your income earning activities done in 2 hours away. But let me share with you why. It's because of systems like this. Because of pages like this, you guys are going to be out there working for you 24/7. This is how I built a global business. It's pages just like this. And so let me show you a little bit what you're getting. This is what you get when you get part of the digital growth community and your Legacy Builder program. First of all, we are going to show you, isn't this neat, how easy and simple it is to follow? Look at this. You are going to learn step-by-step, super short training. See, 4 minutes. This one's a little bit longer, 14 minutes. This is 5 minutes. So super easy to follow training. Our goal is to get you to take action quickly. Do you see this? Launch to profit in 7 days. We actually show you how to build a business brand new and get it into profit in 7 days. Nope, my friend, you don't need a following. You don't need to have any experience. Matter of fact, I chose TikTok as my platform, and I wasn't even on TikTok prior to September of 2022. I actually thought TikTok was a dancing platform. And so when I discovered through the process here the value of using TikTok, that's why I decided to use TikTok. You guys, I had no follow. But yes, Facebook works, YouTube works, Instagram works. And we have a method called the copy and paste free ads method, where you can copy and paste free ads. You can be learning and earning at the exact same time. I launched my business on September 10th of 2022, and I had my first $300 day on the 13th. You guys, when you're part of the Legacy Builder program, you will get immediate access not only to the program, but you'll get immediate access to your automated system and your website. That day, the day you get started, you can have a business out there ready working for you.
My name is Latoya Baptiste. I am from Lafayette, Louisiana, and I am just so thankful and grateful to have access to this amazing blueprint, such an amazing opportunity. You know, you're looking at someone who's very familiar with business. I've been in business for over 12 years. I'm very familiar with passive income. I too have earned passive income. I made 6 figures. You know, I'm basically just recently recovering from a debilitating condition that had me down for the past 2 years. And guess what, y'all? My income dropped 350%. I wish I would have access to the blueprint sooner, but nonetheless, I'm happy I have access to it now. But what is so exciting about this blueprint, guys, is just the details within it. You know, I have spent countless of dollars on products and programs and to assist me with digital marketing, but it was always missing something. You had to pay monthly, you had to pay more, you had to, and it never gave you everything. I was able to see the passive income here, and what it does is basically it's automated. So it allows you to truly experience passive income on another level. I enjoy about it, you know, it's no chargebacks, no MLM. When you get paid, you get paid. Another thing I'm so super excited about is the 100% profit. You know, if you have any type of knowledge of brokerage system or affiliate marketing, you don't get 100% of the profit. There's no middleman. You're not getting crumbs of what's actually being paid. I'm looking forward to doing amazing things, helping a lot of people. That is in my heart, that's in my nature, that's what I love to do, is help people. So what an amazing opportunity to be able to share this with others. Thank you guys so much for creating this.
And with having a launch to profit to follow, you guys are going to know step by step exactly what you do. And no, you don't need any tech skills because the website is already pre-built and done for you. All you're going to do is plug in your name, and it is ready to go. And all you're going to do is connect your payment button so you are paid directly into your bank account. You guys, I ended up making $7,000 my first month, $14,000 my second month, and $22,000 my third month. Following this process that you're looking at right here, you guys, you literally are giving the ability to make whatever goals and dreams you have. I ended up making my first 6 figures in 6 months by following this process. So let me ask you this. If you could be part of a community and part of a proven process where you could learn step by step how you can make that extra income or make passive daily pay, but what about also a reoccurring income stream? Because I'm going to show you how to connect the dots in digital marketing. I know you don't need any experience in doing this, and I'm going to show you how to connect those dots so you can start learning how to make daily pay and also a reoccurring income. You have reoccurring bills. Why not a reoccurring income stream?
Okay, guys, so as you see there what Michelle is talking about. I know I probably let you guys, listen for a while, but that's fine, because this is the same video that works 24/7 that will work if you give it a chance 24/7 for you to make. Basically, make the sales for you with this video. Okay? So, this is no games, guys. This is 100% legit. And I want to show you guys within the digital growth community that this program basically shows you proof that this system works. Okay, Florence Clark, my first sale. Okay, everyone, I just had to let everyone know that I did not give up and I made my first sale yesterday. It was the best feeling in the world to get that notification, $900 to those who are thinking about. Okay, congratulations, Florence. Congrats. Day one inspirational entrepreneurship tip: keep the growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities to learn. Quote, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Cynthia Collins. $1,800 in 24 hours. Please help me welcome my newest customers to this incredible business and community. At Bill Chamberlain, at Deb Wolf. Welcome. You're going to love it here. Guys, this community is a community of like-minded, successful individuals. Okay? This program is amazing. The members, the people that's within this program is amazing. The program is amazing. Okay? 100% commissions, no monthly fees. This is a done-for-you system. You make money today. You get paid today. Daily. Unlimited. 4 streams of income. 100, 300, 600, 900. Okay? There's no games here. This is 100% legit. You see proof into the digital growth community. Look at this. $100 ding. 900. Finally got it. $300 ding. Discovered ding 12 hours later. $400. Talking videos. $23,100 in July. Lizelle DeCock. First TikTok live that she did. They will train you on this. Michelle O'Neill is just absolutely a great, fine mentor who will teach you step by step. We basically have step by step training. Alright? On how to get followers on TikTok. How to market your brand on YouTube. Instagram. Okay? This program is second to none, as you guys see. And I can still scroll. Look at this. $900 while in bed drinking coffee. Sonica. Carrie Leonardi. New Legacy Builder Program. July win. She made $800 Chanel wig. First international $100 ding. Congratulations, Angela Crystal. I can go on and on. It is possible. Guys, this system, this program is 100% legit. The Legacy Builders Program. Okay? These are the things that I wish for, I manifested for. I didn't even think I would ever get. I have a mentor. You have training. You have tech training. If you're not there for the trainings, you'll have webinar recordings and trainings, okay, of these things. There's a calendar, guys. Okay? There's a calendar of the trainings, tech, all this good stuff. Classroom, there's some of the training right here. Okay, this is the calendar. We got Monday mentoring at 8 p.m. This is what they just had this week. Okay? trainings, webinars, tech support, Tech Tuesdays. Okay. 1 p.m. mentoring on the 5th of August. You got Tech Tuesday tech support calls, 12 p.m. And it goes on, guys. All of the training that you need is here. Tech support. You got the community. You have the free funnel right here. This program, 100% legit, 100% works, beginner friendly. It's all here for you. Done for you system. It's right here. It's all here for you. Alright. Discover how to start an online business with a proven blueprint. Okay. Guys, this is for beginners, veterans, been in it for a long time. Even the beginners that come in, they have success with this system. Okay, I don't want to ramble on too much. Okay, my name is Calvina, guys. Signing off. Click the link in the description and check out the Legacy Builders program. Alright. My name is Calvina. I'm just trying to make sure I have everything. Alright, I'm signing off. I'll see you guys on the inside. Have a wonderful day.